In this short video, I'll guide you on how to create additional Facebook profiles using the same email address. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to manage multiple profiles on Facebook without needing extra email addresses, the answer is yes. Imagine the convenience of expressing different aspects of your personality or managing unique interactions without juggling multiple logins. Many users who have discovered this feature now enjoy seamless profile management under a single account. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've guided countless users through similar issues, including managing multiple social media profiles efficiently. Stay with me until the end to discover how to permanently delete a Facebook account. Now, let's get started on how to create another Facebook account with the same email. Start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your existing account. For Android users, tap the 3-line menu at the top right. For iPhone users, it's at the bottom right of your screen. Find the section showing your account name and photo and tap the drop-down next to it, then select Create Facebook Profile. From the options, select the type of Facebook account you want to create. Could be a personal profile, public page, or even to upgrade an existing profile. Select Personal Profile and tap Next. You can optionally choose to use your Instagram profile to create it or skip it. If you skip, you will be presented with the option to add an image and to choose a name for your new profile, which doesn't have to match your original name. Customize your username by ensuring the green checkmark appears, indicating it's available. When done, tap Continue and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the account creation. Your new profile will be ready and linked to your existing account. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to create a different Facebook account. Once you've created a second profile, you can easily switch between them without logging out. This is perfect for managing personal and professional interactions or exploring new interests discreetly. To switch between profiles, tap on the menu again and select the profile you want to use from the drop-down list under your name. But what if you want to delete your account completely? No worries, in this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete your Facebook account permanently. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.